Good afternoon, everyone. Real pleasure to be here with you. As you could probably tell from my accent, I'm from the UK, from London, where it's probably 2 degrees. So I'm really happy to be in Miami and be here. Just want to take a few minutes to introduce us, BCB Group, what we do. Obviously, this is the alpha stage, so I'm going to talk a bit about how we help our customers earn money. And as it says on the slide here at the beginning, we're a financial services group that helps our customers store, move, and earn money. And I'll spend a bit more time on the earn part of this, although there is a little bit of an introduction I want to do here in terms of telling you about us, if I can get the clicker to work. Did it? Oh, here we go. It's a bit slow. Yeah, okay. So I just wanted to start by setting the scene on the problem we solve. And the reason I'm doing that is because this is where we came from in 2017. We actually started trading crypto ourselves for clients in 2017. We found that, thank you. We found that there was a real problem back then moving money around the system. So we thought we'd go about solving that for ourselves. And then when we solved that, we thought, well, let's solve that for other people. And that set us on a journey which sees us to where we are now, which is a financial services group for the crypto industry. And where that journey has started is doing the banking part, doing the payments part. But it's now going to go beyond that, and which is what I'm going to focus on. We are, just in case any of you are out there who need these kinds of services, we are the only financial services group in the crypto space to be able to bank you for multiple currencies. So if you're trading globally, you need US dollar, you need euro, you need GBP, Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, we can help you with that. We can also help you move money instantly around the world, not using the banking network. So we have our own network, which we call Blink. I'll talk about that in a moment. But you can move money to any other counterparty on our network, 24/7, 365. So we really see ourselves as reinventing banking in our space. And unlike the traditional banks that are built on legacy systems, we're building from the ground up. We're using new technologies to help us build great new products that serve our customers. And we don't see a distinction between fiat money and crypto. So anything you park with us or anything you want to move with us moves on our network. We've grown quite a bit last year or so. We now serve well over 300 customers in the crypto space, the exchanges, market makers, traders, crypto projects, and that number is growing. Just to give you an idea of size of that growth, last year as a small company, we're a bit of a bigger company now. Last year we moved $3 billion across our network in payments. This year, so far, we've moved well over $30 billion in payments. We're close to 40 billion right now in the amount of money we're moving on our network. I mentioned that we're kind of reinventing banking for our space, and we have this concept of programmable banking. Just as we've got the concept with tokens and smart contracts for programmable money, we see a world of programmable banking, and that's what we're really building. And I'll drill into that a little bit. I just wanted to go around this diagram and just describe our services, but I'm going to focus on the right-hand side, the yield part, which is all about the earning. So I mentioned business banking. That's the core in terms of storing money, multi-currency, as I mentioned, including USD. We can help you move money around the world with our Blink network. Next year, we will be launching our yield product, which I'll go into a bit more detail. Slightly different take because we're a regulated business. We're regulated in the UK and Switzerland. We're also about to be regulated in France because there's a directive coming out in Europe called MiCA, which requires anyone trading crypto to be subject to that. And so we know about the regulatory part, we know about the crypto part. So the yield product will be a regulated product, and I'll talk about that. In parallel to our banking and payments business, we also trade crypto, and we trade FX. That's a large part of our business, particularly on the FX part. Anyone who trades with us and needs to hold crypto with us, we can store it. And we got multiple options of how that's stored, both custodial and non-custodial. This probably doesn't apply here so much, but we also have a treasury services option for corporations who want to hold Bitcoin or any other crypto on their balance sheet. So this is the part I wanted to focus on, really. So I mentioned that, the journey we've been on is we've helped customers move money, we help customers store that money, be it fiat or crypto. But in the new year, we'll be launching our Bcb Securities Fund. This is a yield-based fund, and it's a structured product. It's a Luxembourg-based fund, so it's subject to regulation. And the way we've designed this product, and I'm going to focus a bit more on the DeFi part of this in a moment. The way we've structured this is that there are different options for our customers of how they can earn money. So any money that is parked with us can earn in a number of ways. The first of those is a CFI option, which is a 30-day term. That's essentially on your cash. Anything from 3% upwards will pay on that cash. Given that we have some fairly large customers, they can earn significant amounts through that option. The other option, which I'm really excited about, is the DeFi option. And this is something that we've been working on in our labs, looking at different protocols, which of those protocols we could plug into the fund and deliver a return for our customers. We've also built our own protocol in the labs, and we've also collaborated with Mango Markets, so that's on Solana. What will happen in this particular account is that customers will be able to access a range of different DeFi protocols, including our own. The other thing we'll be doing is wrapping other crypto funds into our fund. And so these could be a range of strategies, including DeFi strategies. We will do the work to evaluate the fund, do the due diligence, and then wrap it into the fund. And then finally, I mentioned that we've got the trading side of our business. That trading side has will have a number of algorithmic strategies, and our customers will be able to access those. So on the story and the journey of storing and moving and earning, and I mentioned the programmable banking. So we see a world where the money that flows into our system on the Blink network will be fully automated when it comes to earning using that securities fund, leveraging protocols, leveraging blockchain technology. So the Blink network that I mentioned is in the process of being upgraded to multiple blockchains. Once we do that, we'll be able to automate a lot of the facilities we need to have in place for our customers to be able to earn using a number of DeFi strategies. And so this is where we come in as a partner for you. So in our industry, we know, like I said, that traditional finance doesn't serve us. We're here to serve those customers in a finance system which we know has low to no rate of return. In our world, we can do that in a safe and structured way, and we see our part in helping you do that. So thank you very much for listening. Happy to take questions, or I'm going to hang around at the end as well.